Our title was Water Conservation, subtitle Growing Vegetable Crop Using Water Conservation Structure. In the introduction, the project was planting kales using drip irrigation as water conservation structure. It was done to conserve water that was being wasted in the college community, and also it involved the reusing of plastic bottles by using them for drip irrigation. Some of the community members we interacted with were Madam Stella Shikuku, who was the chief principal, who provided land, and also she was the overall coordinator of the project. Mr. Luke Yuela and Mr. Blin Clinton, agriculture teacher. They provided guidance and assistance where necessary. There was also Mr. Ambrose Atieno, who was the storekeeper, provided tools and equipment used for the project in the farm. Mr. Odhiambo was the nursery attendant, provided seedlings to be planted in the farm. There was also Mr. Kevin Odhiambo, was in charge of water, provided water for watering the seedlings in the farm. Grace Atieno, college security, provided security during the project and also to the teacher trainees. What struck our mind during the identification of the problem was the necessity to care for the environment. We also the situation before the project implementation was that the land was bushy, isolated, and not under agricultural use. And after the project implementation, the land was agriculturally used, fertile, and also soil was conserved. How our group was different from others. The group was different after completing the project simply because they were able to develop core competencies such as learning to learn, teamwork, problem solving, and values like love and unity. The community members were appreciative of the initiative taken by the college community, and the responses made to them felt positive towards the project. What attracted the community was that the problem directly affected them as they developed curiosity to be part of the project. What they learned about ourselves during the identification, planning, and implementation of the project was that they were competent to identify environmental problems affecting them. How different other groups and how it hindered or helped the group was that there was active participation, hence enabled the performance of the project to be successful. This is how it was connected to agriculture and other subjects: science and technology, the using of plastic bottles; home science, cleaning of the environment; mathematics, it involved measuring of spacing of seedlings; and lastly, caring for God's creation. What we learned about the community issues or problems were the problems were workable and can be solved. It also brings people together as they work towards getting the solution. What will be different if we oversaw the similar project in the future is that we will fence the farm to enhance security. We also use fertilizer to enhance the productivity during our plan. The best that happened during our project was that we gained knowledge and skills acquired, while the worst that happened was that there was time limitation during our undertaking of our project, and also we were affected by the bad weather. To describe a conflict during the project, what caused it, and how we were able to cope with it. There was inadequate farm equipment and tools, and how we solved it. The tools and equipments were divided equally to enhance efficiency in each group. The experience we got in the project and how we applied it to other situations in life was that it enables one to solve problems amicably, through experience gain. Our next step after the project was guiding the community to identify more sites for agriculture and utilizing them, and sensitizing the community on the importance of conserving water using water conservation structure. Thank you.